Yep.
Yeah, hi Dad. Hey, gonna have to come out here in August and take a ride on Anejo.
Beautiful boat here, guys. Sailing with brother Mike today. He bought a beautiful Catalina. Show you a little bit about it. Down there. I don't know if you can see this lighting, but this is a beauty. Like new boat. On a beautiful close haul sail. Up ahead is Misery Island. I haven't had a drink yet, but I can't talk too good.
We'll be there, Jeff. Hey.
Cocktail Island's coming up. Try not to fall overboard here. Dad, wish you were here. Beautiful. Doing about 4 knots right now. About a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. 10. Don't tell anyone. I'm supposed to be working today. All right. Mike, who's your favorite brother that taught you how to sail?
Oh, you, Captain, brother number 4.
Brother number 4.
Number 4, taught number 3.
But not
You
the
number
4th
2.
favorite. You taught me how to do number 2, and I taught you how to sail.
Yeah,
Thanks.
hey, take the wheel. I got